Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Proven health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Many people claim it can relieve a wide range of health complaints. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. In this video, we will tell you about 5 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the protective skin barrier. Given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Number 2. Improves heart health in animals. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors are linked to your risk for heart disease. These animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as several other heart disease risk factors. Some studies in rats have also shown that vinegar reduces blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and kidney problems. However, there is no good evidence that vinegar benefits heart health in humans. Number 3. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to eating fewer calories and losing weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Number 4. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is also a food preservative. Number 5. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels, caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. Apple cider vinegar appears to be safe, as long as you don't take excessive amounts of it. It also has various other non-health related uses, including as a natural hair conditioner, skincare product, and cleaning agent. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.